Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
Are you excited?
We're gonna go to a water park today.
Yay!
But we're just leaving our little cabin that's right across the street. Not even across the street. Right next to it.
Yes.
That we booked. So Cultus Lake cabins are very convenient.
Yes. They're a great location.
And they have a full kitchen.
A little bit later in this video we'll do like a little mini
walk tour and stuff. But that's where we're leaving right now.
The best part about it is the location.
Yeah, so. Very good. Very good. So yeah, we're just gonna go over there and find the entrance.
Yes.
Are you looking on in fear or excitement?
Both. Both.
The white one there is a tube ride.
Yeah.
Tube raft.
What I'm probably most excited for in the whole park.
And then you got your toilet bowls.
Yep.
That's what I call them.
Like those.
Yeah, those are fun.
No, they kind of hurt me. I'm wussy.
You also got some loud motorcycles.
Yes, it's very important.
And then you got the rest of the stuff over here. Let's go take a look. And we've arrived. Chris is gonna set up the picnic table.
Yeah.
They kind of have like picnic table cabanas and a lot of grassy areas for you to lay in. And a whole bunch of water slides. And Chris is gonna go down all of them.
That's not a true statement. Not all of them. I'll go down most of them. But not all of them.
So, we've gone on a couple of the big rafty rides,
yep.
And now we're going to go do an explore.
Yeah.
We figured we'd get the big ones out of the way while the lines were down.
Right. We've done the Colossal Canyon twice and the Boomerang once. And those were the ones I was very excited for.
The Colossal Canyon is right there. Yeah, right there. Yeah. So, yeah, let's go explore.
Alrighty.
Valley of Fear. And the Radical Rapids.
Yep.
I think those are tube rides, actually.
I don't know. We should go look. Oh, and here we have a lazy river.
Or maybe not. No, there's people coming out without the tubes. Okay. Right. Oh yeah, here's your lazy river. Lazy. Very lazy.
And rivery.
Yeah.
Bye, Brandon.
I'm entering the Valley of Fear.
Ooh, dun dun dun. Have fun. How was that?
It was fun. I don't know if you'd like it.
No. Okay, Brandon, you went on the Valley of Fear.
Yeah.
Yeah, what'd you think?
It's cool.
Yeah?
It's like a big drop.
Yeah, I don't like those.
Yeah, it was fun. We're gonna go do some more slides and stuff.
Yeah. So there's some shops and stuff over here. Concession stand. That's a good picture. Lots of cool stuff. It's kind of spread everywhere. But this is the younger kidlet area. There's another play structure. It's supposed to be a family one. Probably for older kids. More like a spray park style. Yeah. That's Pirate Cove. Pirate Cove? I think it's called.
Something like that.
Anyway, it's piratey, and it's over there as well. That's your bucket.
Almost big enough.
Almost. You do like making sandcastles. This might be a little. It's bigger than you. Well, the bucket isn't, but...
Well, it's rounder.
It's true.
The shovel is higher. But the shovel starts here, so...
True.
I don't know.
Shovel, yeah. So there are some lockers. They are re-entry and they're $10.
Yeah, you get them all day for $10. $10 with a $10 deposit on top of that. You
right.
Get back at the end of the day.
Another cute little spray park area.
It's cute.
Yeah. So we're gonna go ride some more rides now.
Yeah.
So we're back over here. Brandon did this bumpy one once. Can't remember what it's called. And now he's about to do the drop. It's called the free fall. That's him right up there. Little handles. Oh my god.
I can't see where I'm going. Fun?
Oh, I don't know if it was better or worse to see where you were going.
Comments to a bare minimum. Just been known to cheer very loudly.
It's all good. I do too.
That's fun.
Yeah, is that
I
good?
like that one. The Rattler.
Dun, dun, dun.
Auntie's gonna have fun.
You live.
Hi.
So we spent the whole day here at
Yep.
the Cultus Lake Waterpark.
Absolutely. Open to close.
It's older than us.
It is.
Yeah.
1 year older.
1 year older than us. So it's in really good shape though, and we had a lot of fun.
Oh my goodness, did we ever.
Pretty good value for the money. Like
Yeah.
you're all here all day, and you can bring a picnic lunch and just have a whale of a time.
It was really good too, and there's a huge variety. Like the kids area looks great. There's a few extreme rides. There's a whole lot in the middle. So like everyone could be happy basically.
We were happy anyway.
We were happy, yeah. Yeah, it looks like, and there were lots of kids that looked like they were having a lot of fun, and lots of grandparents that looked like they were having a lot of fun.
And I think we got some good footage of going down some rides
Oh
and
my
stuff
goodness.
with the GoPro.
You can watch me scream my head off anyway.
Yeah, yeah.
What's this?
It's a big tree.
Oh,
A dead big tree.
I was born in
1298.
1298. Most of my life in Haida Gwaii. Be like a tree. Stay grounded. Connect with your roots.
Blew over this year.
What? Oh my goodness. Man, I like this. Be like a tree.
Mm-hmm.
It is quite You bet. This tree's seen a lot.
Yeah, like medieval times
It's true.
and stuff. Yeah, poutine looks like it looks like the serious poutine.
Okay, so as promised, we are going to do a little room tour, and we are literally right across. I don't think say it's across the alley. There's no alley. That is the water park right there. You can hear squeals of children. That is what it is. I know it looks like fall. That is not fall. That is heat. The trees have lost some of their leaves because of the heat. As you can see, that's going on. It is still the middle of August. Definitely not fall. Okay, so we are in the cedar room. And this is one of 2 rooms that
Got you.
Brandon was hiding behind the door and scared me.
I didn't actually scare
He
you.
kind of scared me. So the cedar room is one of 2 rooms that is meant for 2 people, so obviously good for us. And just like a little cabin. Basically, the highlight of this is its location, and its price is pretty reasonable for sure.
Yeah, I mean, it's a vacation town, so accommodations are going to be expensive, and this place was pretty reasonable, and you got pretty much a full kitchen and
Yeah.
everything you need, and it's
Yeah.
nice and in good shape. And
Exactly. So yeah, little hook tables. We noticed 2 microwaves.
two microwaves.
TV, full fridge, freezer. Check the freezer for all belongings when you go to leave. Okay, we're just filling our water bottle and we're getting ready to head on the road, so that's doing there. And yeah, solid 1 bedroom. Could maybe do with another nightstand over here,
Yeah, that'd be nice.
but yeah. Fan, AC, and bathroom. It's in good shape. It's pretty solid place.
Does what you need for a couple nights at the amusements and the lake and
Yeah.
all that. So
Good location. Any feedback on this place? Would you stay here? Would you recommend staying here again?
yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
If you're in Cultus for the water park or even just a day at the lake, we walked down there last night. We didn't go in the lake.
Yeah, it was a little
But,
later. Yeah.
It looked pretty nice. So
Yeah,
good,
definitely.
good family vacation spot. Some of the other units are bigger.
Right.
So
Yes,
have
you
a
do
whole
groups.
whole group family thing as well.
And just out here, I forgot to show you, we have picnic tables. And these were in full swing last night after the amusement park and water parks and stuff like that closed.
Yeah, some people had their like travel propane barbecues out and cooking dinner and stuff. And when there's not excessive drought, they do have campfires around here somewhere.
Yes.
So
I'm not sure where
I'm not sure where,
because
but
we didn't go bother looking
think
because
they're all
excessive
put
drought.
away.
Yeah, maybe that's it. But yeah, so you have your own picnic table and everything like that too. So that is pretty handy, pretty good location and good price. Thumbs up on this one.
Yeah,
Thumbs
found
up.
a good spot.
Yay! Okay, so those are the cabins over there. You can see a sign that says the cabins at Cultus Lake right there. But you do not check in over there. You actually cross the street, which we did not know until I had to phone.
We phoned and they're like, "Hey, are you standing across the street?"
Yes, we are. So you're actually gonna come over here, and it's kind of hard to tell because if there's a vehicle or anything parked up front, all you see is policing office, but there's actually another sign that says Cabins and Information Center. But there was a vehicle parked in front, and also the sign is small.
Yeah.
So it's right here beside the Welcome to Cultus Lake and the park office, this whole area. Yeah.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Yeah, and we'll link to the video as well just below for the amusement park that we went to yesterday.
That's just across the street.
It's just across the street. So thumbs up Cultus Lake. Thanks for watching. subscribe, notifications, all that good fun stuff.